Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My courtesies to the Assistant Secretary of the Department of Education, ASEC Chenir Dadukan, the Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Marakwa, the Provincial Governor Mamintal Alonto Adjong Jr., Vice Governor Mojang Adjong Rakin Adjong, and Vice Mayor of the City of Marawi, Mahol Gandamra, the provincial officials, municipal officials, barangay officials, and the farm officials. Guests, a warm welcome to you all. On this special occasion of the 67th founding anniversary of our province, I extend my warmest greetings and congratulations to everyone. For 67 years, our province has stood as a symbol of our rich history, vibrant culture, strong faith, and remarkable resilience. While we have faced countless challenges, we have continued to move forward with unity, determination, and hope. The progress of our province has been made possible through the strong partnership between its leaders and its people. As the representative of the 2nd District of Lanao del Sur, I have worked closely with our provincial government since my very first day in office to help secure national government support for the needs of our province, from infrastructure projects to healthcare, education, and social services. This partnership has remained strong and steadfast under the leadership of our provincial governor, Mamintal Bombet Alonto Adjong, whose unwavering commitment to public service continues to move our province forward. Since its establishment in 1959, Lanao del Sur has come a long way. Today, I can confidently say that our province continues to move steadily toward becoming one of the most progressive provinces in the country. As a proud son of Lanao del Sur, allow me to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. May Allah continue to shower His endless blessings upon Lanao del Sur and its people. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.